Hey everybody, and welcome back to the MindCatcher's channel. You know what time it is. It is BoxyCharm time. Woo! We have our BoxyCharm this month. Everything is going great. It's the month of love. It's Black History Month. Let's keep it going. The theme is Afterglow. So I saw a few sneak peeks, not gonna lie. I looked online and I saw a few sneak peeks and I was like, let's see if it's gonna get any better when I open up my box. As you all know, BoxyCharm is a $21 a month service. You get 4 to 5 full-size products every single month. They do have a Boxy Luxe in which you get way more products for a little bit more. I'm going to leave all of the information down below as well as my affiliate link. You guys know I would appreciate it if you click that link. If you want to sign up for BoxyCharm, you know I'll get a little bit of a kickback because of it. But if you don't want to, that is fine too. No pressure. We're going to roll right into this box. The one thing that I saw that I was very, very happy to see was the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. So I'm gonna get up close so you guys can see. I never owned this. I heard so much about it. You guys know all of the gurus were talking about the Better Than Sex Mascara. It was a little too pricey for me, but as a BoxyCharm subscriber, I did get one. So I'm very excited that I finally get to join the ranks of the beauty gurus and try this out. And I want to see what it's going to do for my lashes because I have like nothing. Actually, I could add this on top of what I already have on my bottom lash line. Let me find a little mirror. Let's see without me messing up my makeup here. I did do this makeup tutorial a few minutes ago, so it will be coming up very shortly. And I do have on mascara already, so I'm not sure what this is going to do. It does look like it's doing something down there, but we shall see. I want to try it on its own too, but it did make a little poppage happen, so we're gonna see. So we're gonna put that to the side. This is $24. The next product inside of the box is from Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics. They've been in the box for a few months now, so I'm super excited. I love their packaging. It is gorgeous packaging. I'm going to show you guys up close what it is. This one is the Vegan Matte Bronzing Powder. Gives your skin a natural radiant looking finish, enriched in ultra smooth oil-free lightweight pigments. This bronzer also allows for easy blending and perfect coverage. Now I did do a swatch of this up close and it's not going to do anything for my skin tone, wah wah wah. But I will be passing this on to maybe a cousin of mine or something like that. So it won't go to waste, and I already put my hand in it so it can't go to a giveaway. But I'm going to make sure it gets some use, guys. This is $32. The next product inside of the box is called No Poreblem. That's hard to say. I had to say that about 5 times to get it right. No Poreblem Primer. It's smooth and pore covering, top secret for perfect makeup. You have 1 fluid ounce inside of this, and this is from a company called Touchinsole. All right, this it says create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touchinsole No Poreblem Primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours for flawlessness. All right, so I'm showing you guys up close. I think I have a video clip up close. I did put a little bit on my hand and rub it in my hand. Now for you guys looking at the video, you're probably just saying, okay, we see skin. It's nothing big. But guys, it was super smooth on my skin. It's like one part of my hand just looked rough and regular, and the other part of my hand looked so blurred like a filter. So I am super excited to try this out. I think I'm going to try this out today. I'm going to wash off this makeup. I have lots of other videos to do, so this will definitely get tried today, and I will mention it, like where I got it from, when I do the video. Okay, but this is a very good primer. Just from putting it on my hand, I feel like it's going to be a very good primer. So guys, look out for me using this again. Like I said, whenever I use it, I'll definitely put in the description box where I got it from. I think a lot of people are going to like it. And if I love it, I will definitely repurchase it on my own. This is 18 bucks. The next product inside of the box is Nude Sticks, and this is Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. It says a super long wearing eyeshadow pencil that is soft, super gliding, and easy to blend. The Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color is the ultimate multitasker to achieve intense color, precise lining, and primes eyelids for all-day waterproof wear to ensure your nude glam lasts. Okay. I put this on top of my hand for the swatch, and actually I put it on top of the primer. Guys, it did not move. So I don't know if it was the primer doing its job or whether it was this pencil doing its job, but either way, they're both pretty good products. So I was very, very surprised, and this glistens on my skin tone. It was beautiful. So you'll see that there in the swatch. It's gorgeous. It kind of, it's reminiscent of the NYX pencils, you know, the jumbo pencils from NYX, but this is so bright and bold. This is in the shade Copper Foil, and it looks like aluminum foil, but just copper. It's just that bright on my skin tone. So definitely will be using this in a coming tutorial. I possibly might use the majority of these things in a coming tutorial, and I'll let you guys know. Maybe I'll even name it the BoxyCharm February box tutorial and let you guys know about it. But this is very, very nice. I really like this. Okay, lastly, inside of the box, we have Sol de Janeiro, and they have been in the box before, but this is new. At first, when I saw Sol de Janeiro was going to be inside of the box, I said, oh, okay, been there, done that. I've gotten that several times. But when I saw the color, I said, okay, that's something new from them. It says the Coco Cabana Cream. It says it's moisture magnet oil in water body cream. Guys, this stuff smells like paradise. It smells a little coconutty. They have scents on lock. I'm telling you. I don't know who works on their team, who's putting together these fragrances. Keep doing what you're doing. It's delicious. My husband was like, oh yeah, put that on tonight. It smells so delicious, guys. It's like a coconut cookie or coconut cream pie. It just smells so good. And it's super soft. You put this on your hands, anywhere, it's so soft. It leaves your skin feeling so soft. So I don't know. Oh God, I could smell that all day. I really, give yours to me if you don't want it. I love it. Okay, it says that it is Sol de Janeiro's Coco Cabana Cream. It instantly transforms dry, dehydrated, irritated skin into its softest, bounciest, most luscious version of itself. It's oil and water gel cream. Texture kisses the body with a cocoa sugar blend of fermented sugar and nourishing coconut oil to draw, hold, and hug moisture for up to 72 hours. It's deliciously scented, and it has mouth-watering notes of coconut, toasted praline, and warm vanilla latte. I'm telling you guys, the most delicious thing you ever smelled. I want this in the big tub. Like, I'm going to find this. I hope they do have it in the big container, because this smells absolutely fabulous. So, in my opinion, my humble little opinion over here on my channel, and make sure you're subscribing and sharing these videos to help me grow, I think they did pretty good for this particular month. I was skeptical when I saw the sneak peeks on Instagram and on Twitter. I was like, oh yeah, whatever, okay. The best thing I see so far is the Better Than Sex mascara, and I hadn't even tried that yet. But after I swatched a few things and rubbed a few things on, I was like, okay, I could see where you were going with this, BoxyCharm, and I'm loving it. So let me know what you think, and especially if you get your box after this video, come back to the video and let me know what you got. I don't know if there's going to be a different variation of the box. but I'm pretty pleased with my stuff. The only thing I feel a little like, yeah, was the bronzer, because it's a little too light for my skin tone, but I can use it as an eyeshadow, like I said, or pass it on, and no biggie. So let me know what you think. I will talk to you guys in another video. Also, if you are interested in buying some of my Cyber Kisses merch, I am going to be running a sale until Valentine's Day, so look out for that. The sale is going to start, let me tell you, the sale will be starting February 10th. So you guys check it out. You're going to get a mug or a phone case or a shirt or some tights, whatever, okay? Help me out and purchase some merch. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Cyber Kisses. Bye.